What's in there?
Look, Mama.
What is that?
An Easter bunny.
It's a doggy with Easter bunny ears.
And I got bubbles.
Oh, man.
I got bubbles, Daddy. Look, Mama.
Let's see that, baby.
He knew you wanted some bubbles. You gonna open them right now?
Yeah.
Why don't you look at what all's in your basket? Look at what all's in your basket first. We'll open the bubbles later. Okay?
Easter bunny candy.
Cool. He's getting your phone, Wesley.
Yes, okay.
And carrots.
Look. Sissy got a carrot.
Huh?
No, he's fine. He's got it remote.
And look what else.
An M&M Easter egg?
Mm-hmm.
What else is in there?
And Patrick Easter egg.
What's on the other side?
Bunny ball.
I wonder what's in there.
We'll look what's in it later. Look, just sit them right there on the table and keep looking. There you go.
Bless you.
And more M&Ms.
Mm-hmm.
And
Take the dog out so you can see what's on that side.
Move the dog. The Easter dog.
and more bubbles.
Cool.
Pink and purple.
Mm-hmm.
Where you going, buddy? And get down.
And Skittles.
Oh, you love Skittles.
Now for you to stand off out there.
And guess what is on the other Skittles?
What? What is it?
Yellow.
Oh, it's a yellow egg.
And
That one's Snickers, the ones like Aunt Tasha eats. When she comes over, you can't let her have it. Did you see everything?
No, yeah.